Queen of the Land, she says. But I want to be Queen of the Land and Sea. I want the golden fish to be my servant. Go away, old man, and tell the fish.
The old man is very sad. He goes back to the sea again. There is a big storm at sea. The sky is black and it is raining. There is a lot of thunder. The old man calls the fish. Suddenly, there is a big flash of lightning. The fish swims up to the old man. The fisherman is very wet and he looks very sad.
Please don't be angry, dear fish. Now my wife wants to be queen of the land and sea,
says the fisherman.
And she wants you to be her servant.
The golden fish does not answer. It turns and swims far away. The old man calls and calls. He waits all day, but the fish does not come back again.
The old man feels very sad, and he goes back home. He can't see the palace. He can't see the guards. He can't see the servants. All he can see is his small house. His wife is poor again, and she is wearing old clothes. In front of her is the dirty old bucket.